quiet silence, each mortal at rest, when me and my love got snug in one nest. When a bold set of ruffians, they entered our cave, and they forced by the dew water blow the salt wave. I begged hard for my sailor, as though I beg it for life. They had not listened to me, although a fond wife, saying the king he wants sailors, to the sea he must go. And they left me lamenting in sorrow and woe. Through green fields and meadow we oft times did walk, and sweet conversation of love we have talked. With the birds in the woodland so sweetly did sing, and the lovely thrushes' voices made the valleys to ring. Although my love's gone, I will not be cast down. Who knows but my sailor may once more return, and will make me amends for all trouble and strife, and my true love and I